Welcome back to French Etudes. In this lesson, we are going to learn 5 of the most common French verbs. Verbs you will hear every single day. Let's go! Verb 1. Être, to be. The verb être means to be. French example. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Tu es heureux. You are happy. Elle est professeure. She is a teacher. Repeat after me. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Verb 2. Avoir, to have. The verb avoir means to have. French example. J'ai un livre. I have a book. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Il a 20 ans. He is 20 years old. Repeat with me. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Challenge 1. In the comments, write on simple sentence with avoir. For example, j'ai un chien. Don't worry about mistakes. I will help you correct them. Verb 3. Aller, to go. The verb aller means to go. French example. Je vais à l'école. I go to school. Nous allons au cinéma. We go to the cinema. Je vais apprendre le français. I'm going to learn French. Repeat with me. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils vont. Verb 4. Faire. To do, to make. The verb faire means to do or to make. French example. Je fais mes devoirs. I do my homework. Elle fait un gâteau. She makes a cake. Nous faisons du sport. We do sports. Repeat with me. Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils font. Verb 5. Parler, to speak. The verb parler means to speak. French example. Je parle français. I speak French. Tu parles anglais. You speak English. Ils parlent espagnol. They speak Spanish. Repeat with me. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Final challenge. Comment below and tell me, in French, what languages you speak. Example, je parle anglais et français. Great work! You have learned 5 of the most common French verbs: être, avoir, aller, faire, and parler. Practice them and use the challenges and the comments. I will correct you if needed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue with lesson 6. À bientôt. See you soon.